Good morning, kids. I will teach you GK. Let's start wild animals. First, lion. Lion means शेर. Lion क्या होता है? जंगल का राजा होता है. Next है tiger. Tiger means बाघ. बाघ. Tiger means बाघ. Next है bear. Bear means भालू. Bear means भालू. Deer. Deer means heron. Deer. Deer means heron. Next है zebra. Zebra means zebra. Zebra. Zebra means zebra. Next है leopard. Leopard. Leopard means तेंदुआ. Leopard means तेंदुआ. Next giraffe. Giraffe means giraffe. Giraffe means giraffe. Next monkey. Monkey means बंदर. Monkey means बंदर. Next है wolf. Wolf means भेड़िया. Wolf means भेड़िया. Next fox. Fox means लोमड़ी. Fox means लोमड़ी. Fox means लोमड़ी. Elephant. Elephant means हाथी. Elephant means हाथी. Elephant. One more time. Wild animals. Lion. First, lion. Lion means शेर. Tiger. Tiger means बाघ. Next, bear. Bear means भालू. Next, deer. Deer means heron. Zebra. Zebra means zebra. Next, leopard. Leopard means तेंदुआ. Leopard means तेंदुआ. Giraffe. Giraffe means giraffe. Monkey. Monkey means बंदर. Next है wolf. Wolf means भेड़िया. Wolf means भेड़िया. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros means गेंडा. Next, fox. Fox means लोमड़ी. Fox means लोमड़ी. Elephant. Elephant means हाथी.